mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. April 28, 2024. Karera sa araw ng linggo. 8 races ang naka-line up sa nag-iisang Metro Turf, Malbar, Tanawan, Batangas. At ngayong araw na ito ng linggo, April 28, naganapin ang Chairman's Cup Division 1, Division 2, and Division 3. Ito ay nasa Race 2, Race 3, Race 4. Race number 1, Only Choice. Number 2, Birdstone. Race 2, 2024, Philracom Chairman Cup Division 3, 2,000 meter distance. First choice number 4, Open Billing. Second choice number 5, Mimbalot Pulse. Race 3, 2024, Philracom Chairman's Cup Division 2. Distance 2,000 meters. First choice and only choice, number 2, Diversity. Race number 4, ang pinakatampok na karera ngayong araw ng linggo, April 28, ang 2024 Philracom Chairman's Cup Division 1. Ang ating cool first choice, number 4, Don Julio. Second choice, number 5, Jungkook. Race number 5, first choice, number 4, Performance Gear. Second choice, number 1, Mabuhay. Race 6, only choice, number 5, Real Equity. Race 7, penultimate race, race na may pentapekta. First choice, number 8, Cluster. Second choice, 4 and 4A, Super Majority at Ninong. Last race, race 8, race na may Super 6. First choice, number 13, Don't Stop Believin'. Second choice, number 12, Hook the Hustler. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!